I give you milk. I say moo. Who am I? I am a cow. I am small. I catch mice. I say meow. Who am I? I am a cat. I bark. I guard your home. I wag my tail. Who am I? I am a dog. I give you wool. I say Baba. Who am I? I am a sheep. I have long ears. I carry load. I bray loudly. Who am I? I am a donkey. I live in a water and mud. I give you milk. I am very strong. Who am I? Buffalo. I am buffalo. I am very tall. I have a hump. I can walk in the desert. Who am I? Camel. I am a camel. I am run very fast. People ride on me. I say neat. Who am I? Horse. I am a horse. I lay eggs. I say cluck cluck. Who am I? Hen. I am a hen. I have feathers. I swim in water. I say quick quick. Who am I? Duck. I am duck. I am Chinny. I eat carrot. I hop and jump. Who am I? Rabbit. I am rabbit. I can talk like a man. I am very colorful. I live in a cage. Who am I? Parrot. I am a parrot. I have 2 horns. I climb small hills. I give milk too. Who am I? God. I am God. I am small. I live in a coop. I lay small eggs. Who am I? Coil. I am a coil. I am white. I pull cart in village. I am very strong. Who am I? Bull. I am bull. I have feathers. I can fly. And I deliver letter in old stories. Who am I? Pigeon. I am pigeon. I am small. I make honey. And I live in a hive. Who am I? Honeybee. I am a honeybee. I live in a pond. I have webbed feet. I can waddle. Who am I? Goosey. I am goosey. I am tinny. I quick. I run fast and I cat loves to chase me. Who am I? Moss. I am moss. I give silk. I live in a cocoon and I am very small. Who am I? Silkworms. I am silkworm. I am big. I can carry people. I have a trunk. Who am I? Elephant. I am an elephant. I am fluffy. I am white. Children sing about me, Baba. Who am I? Lamp. I am a lamp. I am very clever. I caught sheep and I am a loyal friend. Who am I? Sheepdog. Thank you for